time for your ABC 36 Storm Team forecast.
Welcome back in. Meteorologist Dillon Gaudet here with a live look in at significant flooding taking place right now along the North Fork of the Kentucky River there in Hazard, Perry County. The Triangle Park area is dealing with that flooding at the moment. This is just minor to moderate river flooding, and this river is expected to reach almost to major flood stage there, North Fork of Kentucky River at Hazard. So this is a significant deal. We've been watching this live camera courtesy of the Hazard Perry County tourism, and not a good sight there due to that now river flooding that was originally the flash flooding, and that's kind of what we're dealing with. All this water has to go somewhere. Flood alerts right now showing that flash flood warning basically stretching all across southern Kentucky. Flood warning, regional and aerial flood warning that is, in place for a lot of the rest of areas south of I-64. Estimated rainfall right now showing a lot of that rain to the south and the east. We also have numerous, scattered dozens of flash flooding reports. Basically, everyone south and east of Richmond has been dealing with flooding in low-lying and flood-prone areas and along those creeks and streams. Over 3 inches of rain in Jackson County, down into Harlan County, 3 inches in Letcher and Pike counties. And the big reason why this was not a good deal to deal with heavy rainfall in the southeastern Kentucky, headwaters of the area rivers taking place there. Cumberland River, also the Kentucky River. So that has led to just numerous issues, and that's why we have so many concerns now for the river flooding and still flash flooding through tonight. We are not done with the rain, unfortunately. A lot of heavy rain currently moving into western Kentucky, and that's going to continue to move eastward. So Viper radar right now showing, again, those areas under the flash flood warning, you're not dealing with the heavy torrential downpours. That's taking place to the north of you, but still areas along and north of the Mountain Parkway, Salyersville, up towards Mount Sterling, Winchester, you are dealing with some heavy downpours. Here in Lexington, roads are really wet. We're not really seeing much in terms of any significant flooding, but as we continue to deal with rounds of rain into the evening hours, that could change. So looking at our river levels out there right now, again, we do have already major flood stage along the Cumberland River in Harlan. Hazard, you're at minor flood stage. That's near where you were looking at that video out of downtown Hazard. So we still have room to go there in terms of the river level. So regional radar right now showing that heavy rain lifting to the north. We are still watching for this main system to sweep on through, and that's going to increase our wind gusts and increase that rain threat. So let's look at things here on Futurecast. The heavy rains right over top of Lexington by around 10 o'clock. Still mainly dry to the south and the east, but here comes this line of storms. This could be strong to severe in spots, especially south of Richmond, as that line continues to move eastward. And then watch as temperatures drop by your Sunday morning. We are going to be into the 30s by the late morning with some snow falling, and that could put down some light accumulation. We could be talking about a flash freeze taking place if temperatures get cold enough. All this water will freeze as those temperatures do drop, and those temperatures will drop maybe into the low teens in spots by Monday morning. Future rainfall totals then with this additional rain still to come. We are tracking, I think this is a little on the higher end, but still 2 to 4 inches possible across central Kentucky. Southeastern Kentucky, you're going to be dealing with a lot more rain as well. Severe weather threat for tonight. We still have a level 1 risk for areas south of Lexington. You look towards the deep south, that's where we're going to be dealing with some significant issues. Wind gusts right now, not a huge deal, but we'll increase those gusts overnight and into tomorrow morning. And we're going to be dealing with cold wind chills as well. Those wind chill values feeling like the teens and into the single digits even by Sunday night. Then next week, we switch to wintry weather. We are tracking a cross-country winter system that is going to be bringing us some snow. So we go from this flooding, severe weather to, yes, the chance of some snow tomorrow and then again Wednesday and Thursday.